I'd say it's about time for basement fire alarm test 14. If you watched my previous video, you already know what the devices are, but I'll go over them again real quick. So, in the pull station spot, we have a Spectronics SBNG1R, rebranded Notifier BNG1R, and it looks just like one. And if we go up above, we can see an Gentex SHG-2415WR. It is set to code 3 by the alarm itself. The panel's putting out continuous, but it's coding itself to code 3. Strobe is 15 candela, and it's wired as 4-wire, so it will do audible silence. Let's hit it. Since we reset the pull station, we're going to go ahead and reset the whole system. So that's the video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my GroupMe and eBay. Both help the channel. Thank you and have a great day.